Alright, gagawa po tayo ng meatloaf. We will make some homemade meatloaf. First thing first, we need ground beef, about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. We need 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, and of course, we need some meatloaf seasoning. Yan. So that's what I'm using. It's very cheap. I bought it and save a lot. And we also need about a cup of breadcrumbs. So there you are. Let's make our meatloaf. So we'll start with our ground beef. So, yan. Ayan. Alright, ground beef in. And then we'll start with, and then I will add our meatloaf seasoning. Yep, this 1 pack. And then our milk. Last but not the least, our 3 eggs. So there you go, 2, 3. And then we will also add about a cup of breadcrumbs. So half a cup. And ayan. Kung wala po kayong breadcrumbs, pwede po kayong gumawa ng sarili niyong breadcrumbs. Gamitin nyo lang yung leftover bread. At saka ilagay nyo sa oven. Tapos i-crumble nyo. Ayan. Now, all we have to do is mix it. Now, we'll wash our hands, of course. Ayan. And then, we will mix this with our hand. Ayan. Mix lang. Then, while we're mixing, we will take this opportunity to shout out sa aking mga kaibigan dyan, sa lahat na mga tumatangkilik sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. To my kating legit walang iwanan, maraming salamat dyan. Ayan. And sa aking sister Liza Lee, thank you so much, Sisi, for always watching my video. Ayan. Simple lang po itong recipe. And masarap. Ayan. Yung beef, ground beef po namin ay sariling homegrown naming baka. We raise our own cow, and then we have it butchered, and we put it in our freezer. Kaya hindi na kami bumibili ng baka, kaning baka. Bibili kami ng baka, tapos pinapalaki namin. Ayan, mix na. So simple. Ayan. So, i-bake natin ito sa oven. Alright, i-bake po natin itong ating meatloaf sa itong baking meatloaf pan. So, i-prep natin, nilagyan ko po ng aluminum foil para hindi na mahirap maglinis. Then, ito po yung strainer. Kaya, yan. So, and then, spray natin ng konting grease. Hindi dumikit. Ayan. So, ayan, naka-rest na ang ating meatloaf mixture. Ayan, masarap po ito. Tsaka, mas maganda po pag homemade kasi alam mo yung nilalagay mo, di ba? Ayan, sa mga mahilig kumain dyan. Yan, mas Masarap po ito. Yan. May lang shout out sa aking mga members dyan. Salamat. At ang patuloy niyong pagtangkilik sa aking munting YouTube channel. Yan. So, ready na ang oven natin. 375 degrees. And we will bake this for an hour. Alright? So, ilagay na natin dito. Ayan. Huwag po kayo mahiyang kamayin. Masarap po yung pag kinakamay kasi you mix it with love. Diba? Ayan. Tapos, gamitin na natin itong wooden spatula na i-press ang ating meatloaf. Yan. Yan, press lang para maging tight. And then, it will form a nice square. Yan. Ilagay natin the rest. Yan. Masarap po itong recipe pag may mga family get together kayo kasi you can make it ahead of time. Kasi may kainin bukas, diba? Hindi gawin mo na today and then put it in the refrigerator. Cook it. When it's done, leave it in the refrigerator. Then kinabukasan, initin mo na lang. Ang meatloaf po ay masarap kahit malamig. My hubby likes it cold and overnight nasa refrigerator ang leftover gawing sandwich. Ayan. Ayan, ready na ang ating meatloaf. Siputin natin. Siputin. Ayan. Itong meatloaf ay made with love kasi ayan. Ayan, ganda na. So, ilalagay na natin ito sa oven and we'll bake it for 1 hour and then on 375 degree oven. Ayan, ilagay natin ang timer para hindi tayo makalimot. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na. Hihintay natin ang ating meatloaf. Ayan. Hi everybody. Gagawa tayo ng another batch of meatloaf. So, here you go. Couple pounds of ground beef. Ayan. Lagyan na natin dyan sa ating mixing bowl. Ayan. And then, lagay natin ang ating 3 eggs. So, 1, 2, 3 eggs. Ayan. Then, we'll add half a cup of whole milk. Pag wala po kayong milk, pwede po yung evaporated milk. Ayan. Pwede yan. Kahit ano, andyan sa kitchen nyo, yan lang ang gamitin natin, di ba? Naman ang ano. And then, we will put a cup of, ayan, a cup of breadcrumbs. Yan. Then, ilagay po natin ang ating meatloaf seasoning. Yan. Yan. Wala po kayong kailangang iba, kundi ganyan lang. So, konting ingredients. Yan. And then, mix. Yan. Yan. Nilalagyan ko din po ng ito ay lalagyan ko ng oatmeal. Kasi masarap din yung oatmeal. Okay. Lagyan natin ng oatmeal ang ating meatloaf. Para iba naman ang experiment natin. Lagyan natin ng isang cup. So, half a cup, and then 2 cups. And 1 cup. And we will now mix our yam. Matigas pa yung sa gitna ng ating ground beef. Mix lang, mix. Mix and mix lang tayo. Okay, sintabi na natin yan. Then, i-ready natin itong ating baking. So, i-dry muna natin. Ayan. And there we go. We'll put this in the oven for about an hour on 375 degrees. Okay, silipon po natin ang ating meatloaf. There you are. Yan, yung isa, it's been cooking for 40 minutes. The other one is only 10 minutes. So, let's see. Alright, let us check our meatloaf. Ayan, ang ganda na ng ating meatloaf. Yan. Yung isa na yan, luto na yan. So, the other one will let it cook more. But, ayan, ready na. Let's go and get it. There you are. Our meatloaf is done. So, we will test it, make sure it's done. Get a barbecue skewer and stick it in the middle. And it's clean like this. That means it's done. So I cook it in total of 1 hour and 20 minutes. Yan. Hey, successful. So ayan. Nilipat ko na sa slicing board. Pinirest ko na ng 10 minutes. Ayan. That is how our meatloaf looks like. Thanks for watching. Until next time. See you later. Bye. There is our finished product. Meatloaf, baked potato, and mixed veggies. There you go.
And now an old fork to eat them.
Enjoy, dear.
Thank you, daughter.